Hello and welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the proper use of a metered dose inhaler, also known as MDI. This device is commonly used to deliver medication directly into your lungs to manage conditions like asthma. Now, let's get started. Before using your inhaler, it's essential to prepare it properly. First, remove the cap from the inhaler and shake it vigorously for a few seconds. This helps ensure that the medication is properly mixed. If you're using your inhaler for the first time, or if you haven't used it in a while, you'll need to prime it. Priming ensures the device delivers the correct dose of medication. To prime your inhaler, release a test spray into the air away from your face. Follow any specific instructions provided with your inhaler regarding the number of priming sprays required. Now, it's time to position the inhaler correctly. Stand up or sit up straight, whichever is more comfortable for you. Hold the inhaler upright with the mouthpiece at the bottom and the top facing toward the ceiling. Before using your inhaler, take a slow, deep breath in, then exhale completely. This helps ensure that the medication reaches your lungs effectively. Now it's time to administer the medication. Place the mouthpiece of the inhaler between your teeth, making sure to seal your lips around it to create a tight seal. Keep your tongue away from the mouthpiece to prevent blocking the medication's delivery. Press down firmly on the canister to release a dose of medication, while simultaneously inhaling slowly and deeply through your mouth. As you inhale, continue pressing down on the canister to ensure that you receive the full dose of medication. Once you have inhaled the medication, hold your breath for about 10 seconds or for as long as it's comfortable for you. This allows the medication to reach deep into your lungs where it's needed most. If your healthcare provider has prescribed more than one dose, wait about 30 seconds to 1 minute before administering the next dose. If you need to make multiple puffs, repeat the process, shaking the inhaler before each use. After each use, replace the cap on your inhaler to protect it from dust and debris. If your inhaler becomes dirty, gently wipe the mouthpiece with a clean, dry cloth. Avoid getting the inhaler wet, as moisture can affect its effectiveness. And there you have it, the proper technique for using a metered dose inhaler for asthma. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns about your inhaler or how to use it correctly, don't hesitate to contact your healthcare provider. Thank you and take care.